your local library to pick up your kit. And inside your kit, you're going to have all the wonderful things that you're going to need in order to create your pool noodle puppet. What we're going to do is we're going to break this up into 3 videos. The first video is going to teach you how to make your puppet talk. The second video is going to focus on your puppet's eyes and nose. And video 3 will wrap everything up by showing you how to create its hair, its ears, and some teeth. So let's get started with video 1. Today we're just going to talk about making your puppet talk. So in your pack you should have gotten a blank puppet like this. I'm going to use this guy, but I'm going to use this guy too, who's already somewhat decorated. And we're going to make him talk. So if you notice on your pool noodle puppet, there's a Velcro dot in front and there's a Velcro dot in back. This is where you're going to place your fingers. You're going to put your thumb to the back, and then you're going to put your fingers or a few fingers towards the front. The front fingers are what's going to hold, excuse me, it's going to hold your puppet in place, while the thumb, that's the one that's going to move up and down to make his mouth open and close. Okay? So pretty simple. So I want you, let's do this together. Let's lift your thumb up, mouth open, lift it down, mouth closed. Try again. Lift it up, mouth open, lift it down, mouth closed. Great job. Okay, let's practice. Let's do the ABC songs. Everybody knows the ABC songs. Let's try that to practice opening and closing the mouth of your puppet. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, oops, I think mine's a little stuck, sorry. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? How did you guys do? Great! Alright, well that's all you have to do to make your puppet talk. So now on to video 2 on how to make your puppet's eyes and nose. See you in a second.